Hi, Alek Pradhan.
Hi, sir.
You can talk about you. Go ahead.
Yes, sir. How are you, sir?
I'm good.
Yes. And my name is Alek Pradhan. I am from Odisha and currently staying in Hyderabad. And I have completed my graduation in Bachelor of Computer Application from Barampur University, Odisha. And I have done my software testing training in both manual and automation. And during my training period, I have done one project using Cucumber framework. And after completion my training, I done my API testing course also.
Okay, that's good.
Yeah.
That's good. So, so you're a fresher candidate. So, shall I ask you fresher level questions?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So, Alek, your resume is right next to me, and I
Okay.
will be asking you all the questions only from your resume, and
Yeah.
I will be asking all the questions that is applicable from the fresher perspective.
Yes.
Shall we start then?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Which subject you like the most? Manual testing, API testing, core Java, or Selenium? Or which is your favorite subject? Which
Automation
you
test.
which you love to play with it always?
Automation testing.
In automation testing, what you like? Language or a tool?
Tool, sir. Language.
Tool.
Yes.
Okay. Let's start then. You can tell me about the difference between find element and find elements.
Find element. Find elements both are used for locate an element. And find element returns the first web element matching with the given property. And find elements return the list of web element matching with the given property.
Okay, wonderful. What is the return type of find element in find elements?
Find element return type is web element, and find elements return type is a list of web element.
Oh, that's wonderful. What exactly is list? Is it a class? Is it a abstract method, concrete method, abstract class, concrete class, or is it a interface?
List is a child interface of collection.
Right, got it. What is the difference between collection and collections?
Collection is a root interface, but collection is a utility class provided some utility methods to all our collection interfaces.
Tell me again the difference between collection and collections.
Collection is a root interface for all interface framework, collection framework, but
Hmm.
collections is a utility class available in Java lang package,
Right.
Java util
So,
package.
right. So collection is a interface you said, and
Yes,
collections is a
is
class
a
you said.
class. Yes, sir.
Wonderful, wonderful. Very good knowledge. You can tell me difference between get window handle and get window handles.
Get to window handle and get to window handles. Get to window handle returns the window ID where the web driver present, focus present. Current window ID, sorry, current window ID, but to get to window handles, give the all window ID present in browser list
Okay,
setup window ID.
got it. Got it. You can also tell me the return type of get window handle and get window handles.
Get to window handles return the alphanumeric. That's why we use string and get to window handle setup window ID. Set
Set of string.
string setup string.
Okay, that's good. That's good. This shows that you have a very good knowledge.
Thank you.
Really, that's really great. That's really very great. Okay, that's really fantastic. You can tell me next the pop-ups available in Selenium.
Pop-ups, window-based pop-ups, and
Let's start from Windows-based pop-up. Tell me how to handle this.
for window-based pop-up, Java provided actions class, uh, and actions class provided some methods like accept, dismiss, and
No. You're talking something else.
alert. I think I'm talking about alert.
Let me open. See, pop-ups. One is window-based pop-up,
Yeah,
okay, and one is JavaScript
Java,
pop,
yes,
right?
JavaScript,
So
yes,
what you're explaining me is called as
Java.
JavaScript pop.
For window-based pop-up, we use JavaScript executor robot class.
No. Let me open. Let me open.
Yes.
Watch out this page. Visible?
Yes, sir. Yes.
Okay. So let me go to this particular page.
Okay.
You tell me what kind of pop-up is this?
Window-based pop-up.
This is Windows-based pop-up, right?
Yes. Yes.
So tell me how to handle this. Should I handle this with robot class?
Auto IT you can use.
How to handle this?
Using Selenium, we cannot handle the window-based pop-up.
Okay. How to handle this?
Can you use robot class by
Not
using Selenium?
needed. Tell me, while doing the course of automation testing, which version of Selenium Server have you used? Just wanted to know.
3.9 something, 3.19 something.
3.19?
Yes, sir.
1 minute. Have you heard about this site?
Yes, sir. My country.
Okay. 3.19. I don't think so. 3.19. Okay. Let's talk about 3.1. It came in 2017.
No, sir, little bit up, please.
So which one have you used?
472 download.
Which one?
472 down. 3.41 something, sir.
3.41.
Okay.
Okay.
1 for 1. 5.59.
3.141 came in 2018. Have you worked on this?
Yes, sir. Yes.
So you have done your course in 2018.
No, I recently completed my course. In,
So you would have not used this Alec. You would have used somewhere around this one. But anyways, that is not my point. My point is how to handle this Windows-based pop-up. Shall I tell you the answer or you want to
yes,
think?
sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. See, this has to be handled using like you can just inspect it and in the send keys you can pass the location of the file that you wish to upload. That's all. It will be uploaded.
Okay. Okay.
You got it?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. I'm passing this URL to you. Once after the interview, you can play with it if you want.
Okay. Okay.
Okay. Next question. So this is Windows-based pop-up.
Yes.
Now, what is another pop-up we have?
JavaScript pop-up.
JavaScript pop-up.
Yes.
Okay. I'm showing you one pop-up. You need to just tell me, is it a JavaScript pop-up? Okay.
Okay.
Watch out. Does it look like a JavaScript pop-up?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now tell me, what are the characteristics of a JavaScript pop-up?
No, this is not a JavaScript pop-up. This is a window-based pop-up only, maybe.
This is Windows-based pop-up?
Yes, sir.
Okay. If this is window-based pop-up, then which pop-up is this? Then which pop-up is this?
This is also window-based pop-up.
So you're telling this is window-based pop-up, and you're also telling this is also Windows-based pop-up?
Maybe JavaScript pop-up, maybe browser pop-up.
So what pop-up is visible on your screen now is called as JavaScript pop-up. And this is called as Windows-based pop-up. Okay. My question is how to handle a JavaScript pop-up?
Using robot class, we can handle.
No. There is no need of robot class here.
Here, no and HTML body available. How can we use it?
Okay. Okay, no issues. You can tell me what is the characteristics of a JavaScript pop-up. What I mean is, how will you identify that it is a JavaScript pop-up?
After click something, the confirmation to be needed.
Mm-hmm.
Confirmation or cancel a confirmation, we can confirm the pop-up and we can dismiss the pop-up. Then
How? Syntax.
I'll switch to first we switch the window to alert by using driver dot window dot switch to the alert, and after I'll switch the focus the driver focus to the alert, and we can perform various operation like accept, dismiss, and key.
Absolutely correct. Absolutely correct. My question was, what are the characteristics of a JavaScript form? Now, you whatever you said is fine, but what is the characteristics? Shall I tell you?
Yes, yes,
Okay. Do you remember?
yes, sir.
No, no, I'm asking. Do you remember? You want to answer me or shall I answer?
I can answer, sir, please.
Okay, okay. So the characteristics of a JavaScript pop-up is that you cannot inspect it.
Yes, yes,
You agree with me?
yes, sir, yes, sir.
Okay.
I remember that,
Okay.
but I'm not able to recall in this moment.
Okay, that's fine. So JavaScript pop-ups cannot be inspectable. You
Yes,
can't inspect them. That means
it,
right click will not work.
okay, yes, sir.
Right. Wonderful. So you said me about Windows-based pop-up, JavaScript pop-up. We have one
Yes.
more pop-up. You wanna answer?
Confirmation pop-up.
Confirmation pop-up.
Yes.
Okay. What else? Shall I show you one pop-up? Will you be able to tell me what kind of pop-up is that?
Yes, sir.
Okay, watch out. Look carefully.
Yes.
I'm clicking on continue with Google. Tell me,
Uh,
what kind of pop-up is this?
no, sir, I don't know. Sorry.
Okay. You sure?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Think again.
It's opening new browser.
Right. Okay. See, tell me one more thing. Okay, let's dismiss this. Let me ask you other questions. So you said me, right, what is get window handle and get window handles?
Yes, sir.
So tell me what get window handle will give you?
Get window handle give the window ID where the driver focus is there present.
Where the driver focus is there.
Yes, sir.
Okay. And get window handles will give you?
All the window ID present in one browser.
All the windows
The ID.
IDs that are available. Okay. Tell me one thing. After opening this particular website, this
Yes,
particular URL,
yes,
if I run a code of driver.getWindowHandle and
yes,
another code of driver.getWindowHandles,
yes.
tell me the output of those two, get window handle and get window handles. Will it give me the same IDs?
Yes, sir, same IDs.
So get window handle will also give me one ID and get window handles will also give me one ID. You agree?
Yes, sir, yes, sir.
Okay, now tell me, after clicking on Google, tell me the output of get window handle. Handle will give me how many IDs?
Two IDs.
I'm repeating again.
Yes,
After opening this Google, if
yes.
get window handle will give me how many IDs?
One ID only, sir.
One ID. And get window
Yes.
handles,
Two ID.
you got it?
Yes, sir, yes, sir.
Behind one is parent and the top
Yes,
one is child.
child,
Right. That's fine. So this is called as parent-child pop-up. But
parents.
there are plenty names available in the market. Have you heard about it?
Oh, no, sir, I first time I heard it.
Okay. So have you ever worked on this kind of pop-ups?
No, sir.
Okay, 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 okay. Another question.
Yes,
Suppose after clicking on Google,
yes.
if you if you want to enter your email ID here,
Yes.
do you think this will work?
No, sir, first we have to move the driver focus to the child window.
Right. So how to do that?
by using get window handle. So we first capture the all window IDs.
Hmm.
Then I first we the window ID we capture in set of string. Then we convert into string first. Then we give the second child window ID in driver dot to window dot switch to window ID and give there the child window ID.
Right, that's the right answer. But you said few minutes ago that you have never worked on this.
What's in current window only, current browser only. When you click Google, the other tab open, but here other browser is open. That's why I confused.
Okay. Got it. Fine. You said the right answer.
Yes.
That's good. You can tell me some string functions available in Java.
String functions, two lowercase, two
Hmm.
uppercase,
Hmm.
concat,
Hmm.
and two character array,
Hmm. What else?
length of string,
Mhm.
and uh, content,
Contains.
contains,
Okay.
contains,
Okay.
compare to,
What you said?
compare to.
Compare. Okay.
Yes, sir, that's it.
Have you heard about this substring with one parameter, substring with two parameter?
No, sir.
No,
No,
you
sir.
have not ever heard about substring?
Substring I heard about it.
Okay. Please check this after the meeting
Yes,
with me.
yes, sir, yes.
So we have two kind of string functions. One is called as substring with one parameter. One is
Okay.
substring with two parameter.
Super. Okay.
Please check this, okay?
Okay.
Just because you're a fresher, I'm trying to tell you that this is really important from the interview perspective.
Yes.
These two string functions are highly asked in the interview.
Yes. Okay.
That's fine. Okay, you said me about concat. Okay, fine. That's fine. You can tell me if there is an option in Selenium to do the right click.
Yes, sir.
Tell me how.
Um, the Selenium provided one actions class,
Actions
and
class.
actions class provided one contest click method.
Mm-hmm.
Using contest click, we can click the right click of the mouse.
Okay.
And after pass the method name, we also write to build and perform method
Mm.
to execute the program.
Okay, got it. That's fine. That's fine. Okay. Any idea about get location method? What exactly it do?
Get location. No, I heard about it, but I don't practice it. Get location.
Okay. See, there is a method called as get location, whose return type is a point class.
Point class.
Point, point. It has two methods in it, get x and get y. Have you heard about it?
No, sir.
Okay, it will give you the coordinates of any component that is available on the website.
Okay.
Get x and get y. So sometime you would have done problem of scrolling down. Have you done any problem of scrolling down?
No, I use JavaScript executor for scrolling down web page.
Yeah. That's what I'm saying. In JavaScript executor to scroll down, how you have done? Tell me.
First, in three scenario we can do by giving the pixel and by
Hmm.
giving the particular web element and the tilt down we can scroll down.
Yeah, correct. Tell me the first procedure by giving the pixel. Tell me how you
Pixel.
have done.
First, I create a object by typecasting JavaScript executor and give the variable name. And here we do typecasting and pass the driver.
Hmm.
And after that, variable name dot to one method is a script to execute.
Hmm.
Script execute inside the parenthesis. We give one curly brace, not double quote. We give one method scroll to window by 0 to 100 and
Window dot scroll by.
window dot scroll by 0 and 1 pixel we give what we pixel 1 and argument we give. Then
So you're saying you give the arguments at 0, 100.
0, yes, sir.
From where are you giving this 100? Directly you're passing 100.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So see, that's what I'm trying to say. The value that you're passing directly called as 100, right?
Yes.
You can also find it out using get location method. So
Yes,
there is
sir.
a method called as get location. See, I'm giving you an example. Watch
Yes.
out. Okay. Suppose this is the website and you
Yes.
want to scroll down until this YouTube channel link is available. This is a link, right?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. Suppose you have launched this particular website and you want to scroll down until this YouTube link is available. So what you can do, you can inspect this first, this YouTube
Yes.
link.
Yes.
And after inspecting,
I capture the web element.
yeah, let me see. After inspecting it,
Yes.
you have to store it in the return type of find element. What is the return type of find element? Web
Web
element.
element.
You
Yes,
know
sir.
that?
Yes, sir.
Now that web element will give you a method called as get location.
Okay.
Now get location return, like it is coming from a point class. So store it in the point class. But
Yes.
point class will give you two methods called as get x and
Yes,
get
get
y.
the web. Okay.
Now that will give you the coordinate of this YouTube link.
Okay. Okay.
So what I'm trying to say, in JavaScript executor, you don't have to pass 0, 100
Zero.
now.
Okay.
You
Okay.
can pass there y. What is y?
The
The
coordinate.
coordinates of the
Yes.
YouTube link. You got the idea?
Yes, sir. I got it.
Okay. Please do this after the after this
Yes,
interview
sir.
session with me.
Sure, sir.
Okay. That's wonderful. I'm very happy that you have very good knowledge. You have a good knowledge,
Yes.
really.
Thank you.
Being a fresher, you are able to answer most of my questions. That is really very good. Okay, that's good. You can tell me what is test case review process?
Test case review process.
Yeah, test case review process.
After writing test case, we have to review by our team lead. If team lead is approved, then we can execute the test cases.
Tell me in brief.
Briefly, I only think that's only, sir. I don't know.
Tell me again.
After writing test cases, we have to review by our team lead this test cases, and after reviewed by team lead and approved by team lead, we can execute our test cases.
If you talk like this in the real interview, being a fresher, they will tell you bye. You can't answer like this test case review process. It's a very wonderful topic.
Just I have no idea about that much. That's why.
Okay. Please go through this video.
Yes,
You can check it on my channel. I have uploaded one video called as test case review process. Go through that, okay?
yes, sir.
Fine, no issues. You can tell me the bug life cycle. Oh, do you want me to ask you questions from only automation? You can tell me.
No, manual also. Okay,
Then go ahead.
and bug life cycle is nothing but from its I identify the bug from its till closes the various stages we perform. That's called bug life cycle, and the stages are new, open, and uh, reject, postpone, hold, duplicate, reopen, and close. And as soon as we found a bug, the bug status is going to new. And after reporting the bug to developer, developing verify the bug, and if the bug is valid, then developer change the status to open. And after verifying the bug, if developer know that bug is invalid, then developer reject this bug and change the status to reject.
Okay.
And after receiving the bug, if developer wants some more clarification and more information about this bug, then developer should hold the bug and change the status to hold.
Hold.
Yes, hold.
Okay.
And for some reason, bug to be postponed to next sprint or next week, the bug status to be changed to postponed. And if the bug is repeatedly or twicely reported to the to the developer, then the status to be changed to duplicate.
Hmm.
And um, after receiving the bug, developer create resolve the bug and create a modified code and give it to QA team. And the after resolve the bug status should be changed to fixed. After
Hmm.
receiving the modified bug, QA team perform the retesting to check the reported bugs is resolved or not. If the bug is resolved, then QA team change the status to closed. If
Hmm.
not resolved, then QA team change the status to reopen.
Hmm.
And after close the bug, QA team perform the regression testing. If while regression testing, if the new bug is occur, then this bug life cycle occur again, perform again, same thing.
Okay. Got it. You can also tell me one more thing, that what is retesting?
Retesting is the process of testing the one functionality repeatedly to confirm the reported bug is resolved or not.
Wonderful. Retesting is a functional testing or a non-functional testing?
Functional testing.
Okay, what is functional testing?
Functional testing means we perform the functional requirements is working as per end user requirements or not. The
Okay,
requirements is working as per end user perspective. We check.
okay, got it. You can also tell me whether uh, the main difference between black box testing and white box testing.
White black box testing is done by tester and end user also.
Hmm.
By to confirm the developed application is working as per end user requirements or not.
Hmm.
And
Hmm.
whiteboard testing mainly done by developer to check the developer code is working as per requirements or not. And
Hmm.
whiteboard testing, we do unit testing and integration testing.
Hmm.
But in blackboard testing, we do system testing and user acceptance testing.
So in black box testing, you don't do component testing, smoke testing?
Yes, sir. We do. In
Oh,
system testing, there is smoke testing is also in system testing.
okay, got it. Got it. That's fine. That's fine. You have a good knowledge. That's fine. That's fine. You can tell me out of all the models that we have in STLC, which model is the best and why?
And for the in now agile model is best.
Hmm.
Mm, Actually, we don't tell the what are the best model. It's depend on the requirement, customer requirement, end user requirements. The SDLC models to be vary. Depend on the end user requirements.
That's right. Choosing which model to choose
So,
does not depend on
dep-
human.
yes,
It, I mean, it is definitely human will only decide it, but it totally depends on the requirement.
yes, yes,
There is nothing called as good model or the best model.
yes,
It all depends on the requirement. You agree?
yes, sir, yes, sir.
Do you agree that for few requirement, waterfall will be the best one? Do you agree?
Yes, sir, yes.
Absolutely, yes. That's right. Let me ask you the next question. You can tell me what is hot fix.
Hotfix means when we deploy our software to the production or after releasing our product to market, we found a critical bug or our customer facing some critical issue on one functionality. Then in this situation, we do hotfix. And
Hmm.
hotfix mainly do in within 1 and 2 hours and maximum half day.
Okay. Tell me the procedure to do the hot fix. What exactly we do, how exactly we do.
Procedure. So as soon as bug is found, a critical bug is found, the maintenance team to be inform the development team. and development team should start the hot fix in quickly.
That's all.
Yes, I know that.
Okay, that's fine. Suppose you are using a Facebook application and there is a bug in the Facebook application that whenever any friend request will be accepted by someone,
Yes,
you usually get a notification, right? That,
yes,
hey, Alek, Manish Kumar Tiwari have accepted your friend request. Hey,
yes,
Alek,
yes,
Ranjit Pradhan have accepted your friend request. You get this kind of notification, right?
yes, sir, yes, sir.
Suppose you are using Facebook and you have sent some friend request, but those notifications are not coming in your mobile, right?
Yes,
Suppose customer is facing this issue.
yes,
So tell me, will you do hotfix?
yes, sir.
Tell me one more thing. What is the severity and priority of this bug?
Severity means how seriousness of the bug or the impactness of the bug, and priority is which order to be bug is resolved, is called bug priority.
So tell me, what is the severity and priority of this bug?
And severity is very high to be.
Okay.
Friend
Like,
request is
what is
accepted, but
severity?
notification is not going, sir. Not
Right,
come.
right. Manish have accepted your friend request. You became his friend. You are able to
Okay.
chat with him, do video call, audio call, send message, everything.
Okay.
But you didn't get a notification.
If I open the Facebook, the accepted
You are
friend
able
request
to
to
do
be.
anything.
Okay.
But you didn't get a notification that Manish have accepted your friend request.
Okay. Severity is to medium.
Medium.
Yes.
Okay, and priority?
Priority to be medium also.
Okay. So now the question is, will you do the hot fix?
No, sir. We do this fix in next sprint. Okay.
See, as long as you're giving the interview to me, that is fine. You can do mistakes. But in real interview, you cannot change your statement. If you change your statement, maybe your interview will get over. You getting my point, what I'm saying?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
If you tell now that, hey, it's critical, and after 2 minutes you tell, no, it is minor, they will not.
Okay.
They will not proceed if I tell frankly.
Okay.
That's fine. So you said you will not do hot fix, right?
Yes, sir. Yes.
Yeah, we will not do hot fix because this is a major severity bug and the priority, let's say P1, right?
Yeah.
So we may fix it in the upcoming sprint, but not as of now. You agree?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Because it is not going to impact my customer business workflow.
Yes. Yes.
What I mean is customer is not blocked to
Yes.
use the application. So why to fix it immediately? Hot
Yes.
fix is not for every silly issue.
Yes,
Hot
sir.
fix is only for
Critical.
blocker or critical.
Yes.
Right. Tell me what is bug bucket?
Bug bucket. If some bug is postponed to every sprint and the last to the to till release. If there is some bug is there, but there is no some low priority, then we can. This is bug bucket.
Okay. 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 Have you heard about principles of software testing?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. So there is a 7 principle of software
Okay.
testing.
My question is, so you said that at the starting of this interview that you also have knowledge of API testing, right?
Yes, a little bit. I currently starting learning about API testing.
So should I ask you or not?
Yes, sir. You can.
Okay. So you can tell me the principle of software testing are same for both front-end testing and back-end testing, or they are different from each other?
No, they both are same for front end and back end.
Right, both are same. So can you tell me few principles? 5 is enough, if you can tell me.
Okay, first is yearly testing.
What is that?
Yearly testing.
Yearly?
Yes, sir.
What is that?
Testing should be start from the requirements. to minimize the mistakes.
Oh, you mean testing at the early stage?
Yes, sir, yes, sir.
Okay, 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 okay. Go ahead, go ahead.
And then so testing is find the defects only. We
Mm-hmm.
can give the customer to bug free product. It impossible.
Mm-hmm.
You by doing testing, we can decrease the number of bug in our software, but we
Hmm.
can make a software to bug free. It's impossible.
Right. Next.
And pesticide paradox. Uh, in if we run the same test cases in every modified build, it's not able to find a new bug in our software.
Hmm.
To avoid this, so we have to review test cases and test data in regular basis to find a new bug.
Hmm.
And one is the defect clustering.
Hmm.
If one or two module give a more bug,
Hmm. Hmm.
then we focus on this module very much. That's why this is contains the cluster of bug,
Hmm.
defect clustering. And
Hmm.
one is other one defect pesticide paradox. I'm not able to recall at this time, sir. Other
Okay.
one.
Exhaustive.
Exhaustive testing. We cannot do exhaustive testing. Is if we one functionality have a range of input, it's not able to impossible to. It's not recommended to do exhaustive testing. By to avoid exhaustive testing, we use can use BBA technique also.
Mm-hmm.
Yes.
Got it. That's fine. That's fine. One more you want to add?
Yeah,
Context.
context. Yes, every software, the approach of testing will be changed.
Hmm. Testing is context
Context
based.
dependent. Yes.
Yeah, right. That's fine. That's fine. That's fine. You went good. You can tell me if you uh, idea about defect masking. If you have heard about it, that's a rare term.
No, the
But if you
defect
have heard,
masking.
you can
No,
tell
sir.
me. Defect masking.
No, sir. Not I. No idea about just defect masking.
Okay. Defect masking means one defect hiding another defect,
Okay.
like one bug hiding another bug. Let's say in any application, payment is not working,
Yes.
login is not working.
No,
But let's say login is blocked. Will you be able to test the payment feature? No.
no, sir.
One bug is hiding another bug. It's called as defect masking.
But
Mask means
masking.
what? Hiding. Getting idea?
Hiding. Yes, yes, sir, yes, sir.
Okay, that's good. Okay, let's move on to Java, shall we?
Yes, sir, yes, sir.
Okay, you can tell me all the facts that you know about final variable.
I till now not covered final keyword. That's why not sure about that final.
Final
Uh,
variable you have not covered still?
Final variable means if we declare a variable final, the value of variable is constant. We cannot change that.
Okay. Can a class be final?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
What is the meaning of a class being final?
We cannot inherit this the class. We
Okay.
cannot create a child class for this class.
Okay, got it, got it. Do you know any class in Java which is by default final in nature?
Class. No, sir.
Do you know any class in Java by default which is final in nature? Yeah, any class which you know which is final in nature by
No,
default.
sir. No,
Okay,
no idea.
okay. Have you heard about scanner class?
Scanner class.
Yeah.
Yes, sir. To take the input from console.
Okay. Is that final in nature?
No idea.
No idea. Please check it after the class, after this interview.
Yes, sure, sure.
Okay, okay. You can tell me some major difference between abstract class and concrete class.
Abstract class and concrete class.
Right.
Abstract class means the incomplete implementation.
Incomplete implementation of
Implementation
what?
method.
Of method.
Method, sir.
Okay. Okay.
And in abstract class there are may or may not be method should be abstract or not. It's not compulsory.
I mean, in abstract class, you can have combination of both abstract method as and concrete methods.
Yes, sir. Yes.
Got it. What else?
And we cannot create a object for the abstract class.
You cannot create an object of the abstract class.
Abstract class.
There is no need of it. Okay.
Okay.
There is no need of it, right? Because you will be there will be methods present in the abstract class which you
Yes,
will be overriding in the child class.
yes, sir.
So there is no need of this. But yeah, that's fine. Next point.
And concrete class, not sure about that differences.
Okay. Have you heard about concrete method?
No, sir.
Okay. Have you heard about abstract method?
Yes, sir.
What is abstract method?
Abstract method only the declaration, not implementation, and it's end with semicolon.
Right. So you mean abstract methods are those method which does not have any implementation in it,
or
right?
method body.
Right. Those method which has a method body are called as concrete methods.
Yes. Concrete. Okay.
Got it?
Yes, sir.
Okay, that's good. Do you have Eclipse ready now? Do you have Eclipse ready
Yes,
now?
sir.
Just asking.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Will you be able to
I
share
want to
your
open
screen?
those.
Yeah, create a new class for me.
Yes, sir.
We'll write one code.
Okay.
You're comfortable?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Sure.
Okay, go ahead. Open Eclipse.
Visible, sir, screen.
Yeah, I can see your screen. Listen to me carefully, okay?
Yes,
You
sir.
have to first create a class.
Okay.
Don't worry, it's a very easy question that I'm going to ask you, okay? Relax.
Yes. Yes, sir. Yes.
I don't ask hard questions, so don't worry.
Okay.
Okay. Add main method. Okay. Can you run a for loop? Listen to me carefully. That runs from -10 to +5.
Okay.
You got my
-10 to
question?
yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes.
-10 to +5. Run a for loop. That's all.
Okay.
You're able to see whatever I have typed?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. It's visible.
Okay, that's really good. Print I will be good to see.
Yes, sir.
-10 to 5. Wonderful. That's really good. That's good. You can explain me what exactly is public static void mean?
Public static void main means it's a main method predefined in JVM, and JVM will be going to start the program execution from the main method only. Main method is public because the JVM is able to access the method from anywhere. That's why the method is public. And static means without creating object, JVM will be call the method by call them by name of the method name main.
Okay.
Because
Got it.
if we want to call a non-static method, we have to create an object for this class.
Got it.
That's why the main method is static. And void means main method did not return the new to JVM. That's why the
Right.
return type is void.
Right.
And main is the predefined name in JVM.
Got it. Got it. That's fine. That's fine. One last question of the day. You can tell me the main difference between global variable and local variable.
Global variable is declared inside the class and outside the method, but the local variable declared inside the method. And if I declare a local variable, then the variable other method will be not knowledge about this local variable. But if you declare a global variable, then all the method can access this variables. The local variable, so we can perform inside this method only.
Okay. Okay. What else?
We cannot do declare a static inside a local variable. Static.
And global?
We can do the global static.
Right.
As a static.
Can a local variable be final variable?
No, sir.
Yes, it can be done.
Okay.
Can a global variable be final in nature?
Yes, yes.
Yes, we can do it. Okay. So whatever the mistake you did, please do a revision on that. By the way, you have a very good knowledge. Yes. And in case you need my help, please mail me again. I will be able to help you.
Yes, sir, sure, sir.
If you need any kind of study material, so please you can check it on Crotech Minds mobile application. It is application from a company. The name of the application is called as Crotech Minds.
Yes.
You can download on the Play Store, iOS store, and you can call our support team. They will provide the study material to you. You can have it.
Yes.
Fine, Alek. You have a good knowledge, and just do a little revision of manual testing.
Yes.
That will be great. And I think you are good in automation testing. Yes.
In this interview, I heard new questions, and it's useful for me for a real-time interview.
Actually, in every interview of mine, you will hear some new questions. So I will suggest you to go, just because you're a fresher, I'm requesting you, in case you are hungry to get a job, right? So you can go through all my interview session that is available on my playlist. That will really benefit you.
I completed maximum 80% of your interview videos.
Okay, that's good. That's really good. So that's all from my side, Alek. I'm pretty sure you will get a job very soon. Because being a fresher, you have a good knowledge. I could see that.
Yes.
Right. Yeah. You want to add something?
Yes, sir. Just only say thank you for your video. Only as a testers and our students will get very helpful in training period. That's it.
Right. Right.
Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you, Alek. I wish you a good future and a good health. In case you need my help at any moment of time, feel free to mail me. I will definitely reply to you.
Yes, sir. Sure, sir. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, Alek. Thank you.
Thank you.